Okay, so let's look at leisure time. So, people in the UK tend to go out and socialise and drink and dance and beyond on a Saturday and Friday night. Most common Saturday and Friday night, maybe other nights as well, depending on things. Like if there's a bank holiday weekend, then it's a Saturday, Thursday night, because a Friday is a day off. So it's a 3-day weekend. But normally, Saturday and Friday night. Okay, and they're more than happy and comfortable to talk about almost anything. Comfortable to talk about anything, any topic, any subject. No real taboos in the UK. Taboo. No real taboos. Like you can't talk about that subject. Ooh. Maybe money, but it depends who you're talking with. It depends what kind of people you're talking with, you know. But no real taboos. I'm down for a conversation on anything. 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 So let's look at some words. So theatre. 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 Hippodrome. There's a hippodrome in Birmingham. Well, I think it's called the Hippodrome. It's a big theatre. Big stage. A lot of seats for an audience. And things happen like a pantomime. A pantomime. Which is completely different to a cinema. So a cinema, there's seats and a big screen. But a theatre, it's live actors on stage, doing things. Doing things. He's behind you. Things like that. Disco. Well, disco. There probably aren't discos left in the UK. Might be a few in Birmingham. Depending on the music. Depending on what kind of themes. Stuff like that. It happens. Yeah, discos. But bars. Most popular. A bar. You go there to drink. Get a drink. And talk. Talk to people. Or don't drink. Water. Orange juice. Non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic. There's always an alternative to alcohol. You don't need to drink. Just have juice. Yeah. Easy. But bars, most common. Because a bar often has an area to dance with. And seats to sit around on the edge as well. Great chance to socialise and mingle with people. But different world, you know? Nightclub. Now these are a different thing. They're all about the dancing and the crazy music, the wild music. Different kinds of music. Acid house, for example. Acid house. That's a theme. Acid house, yeah, that works. And sightseeing. Now this is something I want to do more of in the UK especially. Sightseeing. Seeing the sights. Seeing the sights. So you're exploring. 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 Exploring places. I want to go to Snowdonia, a big mountain in North Wales. And there's other places across England, no doubt. There are loads of places to go, but in due time, in due time, in due time. So, sightseeing, exploring the place, city, nature, and beyond, history. Nightlife. Nightlife. The life at night. Life at night. What happens at night time on a Saturday or Thursday or Saturday, Friday night? The theatre, cinema, discos, bars, nightclubs. How is the nightlife in London completely different from Birmingham? And Birmingham nightlife is completely different from that in Wolverhampton. What it's like, how many people are there, who you see, things like that. Completely different depending on where you are in the UK. Yeah. Edinburgh versus Belfast versus Cardiff versus Nottingham. The nightlife, the life at night. Discos, bars, cinemas, nightclubs and beyond. How cool is that, English explorers? Let's keep going.